Well, my mother allowed me just to stay out all night long. Oh, Lord. Well, my mother allowed me just to stay out all night long. I didn't care what she loud. I was boogieing around. When I wake in the town, people, I was walking down Hazen Street. Everybody was talking about Henry Swing Club. I decided I'd drop in there that night. When I got there, I said, yeah, people, they was really having a ball. Yes, I know. Boogie, Chillun. One night I was laying down. I heard Mama and Papa talking. I heard Papa tell Mama, let that boy boogie woogie. It's in him, and it got to come out. And I felt so good. Went on boogie just the same.